Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix Telegram not sending code on iPhone. So, first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your settings and make sure that your internet connection is on, and make sure that you actually receive connection, right? Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the general, and then go ahead to transfer reset iPhone, and click reset, and then you're gonna reset the network settings, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, first go back to your screen and then go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just type right here Telegram. If there is any slightest new update of Telegram, make sure that you do update it to the latest version so you can get access to all the new features. If you still have the same issue, go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, general, and then iPhone storage. And basically what you're gonna do next, after finding the iPhone storage, just try to pin down Telegram and make sure that you upload the app, and by uploading the app you will release some of the unnecessary files inside Telegram, and then you're gonna be able to fix that problem eventually. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.